Hi guys, it's Liz here. Thanks so much for joining me today. Welcome to my mess. I've been doing a little journaling and I thought I would show you my 2025 journal so far. I actually wanted to start by just showing you this really, what I think is just a gorgeous video that my brother took. This is him standing in his kitchen looking out the window, and this is what he sees. And he's been sharing these videos with us for a little bit. He lives like not even an hour from me. We are in Ontario, Canada, and I thought I would start by showing you guys this gorgeous video. It's just so beautiful. He's got so many, but this one I thought was one of the most interesting ones because there's so many deer. There's like a herd right here, like literally at his backyard. So anyways, it's cold, it's snowy, and January for me is cozy. It's mostly home, you know, with reading books, watching videos, having hot cocoa and tea and coffee and that sort of thing. So anyways, I thought I would start with that. But in the video, I'm going to show you a little peek of my 2025 journal and then the unboxing for Grabie. So to show you my 2025 journal right now, this one actually is one of the little notebooks that came from one of my Grabie unboxings. I will have discount codes and links to everything I'm mentioning in the description box below. But I loved the each of the covers of the notebooks had like a little something on them, and this one was like the middle size one, you know, like Goldilocks. There's like a larger one, a smaller one, and this one. And I thought I wanted to use this one for 2025, or at least to start 2025. It says find your balance. I added some of the stickers that came in one of their collections, and that's kind of what I wanted to start with, right? So I wanted to just show you how I get started putting things together. I've been printing things, I've been cutting things, I've been pulling out my just regular markers. These are like Crayola Super Tips. I'm loving these note-taking pens from the Grabie shop. They are like, I'm obsessed right now, you guys. But anyways, so this is my January cover, and I've been printing out some goodies to, you know, just attach to my pages. And this is kind of what I like to do. I like to get images that inspire me at the moment or that have meaning to me, and I just kind of start adding them. So anyways, the front one here, I still have to add my January 2025 and maybe some more stickers. I've got some more to do here, but I started with this image, which is just really my feel for winter, which is cozy, books, a little book nook, my plants, you know, that kind of stuff, right? So anyways, that's the start. I don't know if you can see the image. This was just like, I think it was on Pinterest and I just printed it, or Canva, I'm not sure. Again, it's for my personal. So so this is so far what I have. It's just really just fun, you guys. I just want to have fun with this journal. I'm using some of my favorite stamps. This was, again, of course, from their box. All the boxes come with like some stickers. All these stickers are from like stuff that I grabbed. This one's, I love the book. I mean, this is, I think it's right here. Okay, this one came in one of their boxes. Look at the tea set with the teapot. Loving all these. Anyways, so I've been using some of them here. The Pellegrino water, the little latte. And then, of course, you know, things that I cut out for magazines. Different ways that I'm trying to kind of bring winter into my journal, but not necessarily like gloomy. I started punching out snowflakes. The only way I could see them is like in blue, so I punched them out of blue paper. And then, yeah, I've just been, we've been seeing a lot of squirrels still, like so many squirrels everywhere, and they are chubby. So I know that they've been eating well. So anyways, this is just so far. I still want to kind of add some things here and there maybe, but I'm not sure. Again, just another section that I started. Treat yourself is kind of what my sisters and I are always sort of saying to each other when we're doubting, you know, grabbing something or doing something that we know we're going to enjoy. we say treat yourself. And so this year we've talked about doing like a spa day, like where the three of us can just go away and just have a spa day. We're just always so busy, right, with life, and we thought, let's just do this, right? So anyway, so treat yourself is just my little reminders of things that I love and that I want to treat myself with when I get a chance. Foods that I'm enjoying, reminding me of my snail mail. I have so many ideas right now of what I want to do with that. Places I want to visit now that I'm feeling better. More on that later. And yeah, so anyways, I wanted to just document this, the herd of deer that my brother's backyard has. And these stamps, oh my gosh, I was so excited. I found these at a thrift store. And they're so cute. And I've really been into trying to do more kind of stamping and doodling and that sort of thing. So I think these are going to be great. And so I love how the crown came out. I don't think this company is out still or working. I'm not sure, but I found them at a thrift store. So I tried to look them up, but I couldn't find anything on them. So anyways, and then this is kind of like my next spread that I've started. And as I said, I kind of print out some of my pieces ahead of time, and then I spend time, you know, cutting them up and everything else. So in the unboxing, you're going to see a few of these pieces again that I have used, and I'm just going to quickly give you a peek of what I've been doing with them. So I've been making a lot of envelopes. I think I mentioned that in my last video. This is one of them that I made. Actually, yeah, I'm loving these. So anyways, the sticker came from their current unboxing that I'm going to show you. I've got another sticker here, another sticker there, and I think I showed you this kind of start of this album a little while back. And then I have another sticker right there. So anyways, I'm working on this. I'll be working on this with you. If you want to see that process, I'm just adding more things to my 2025 journal. I'm loving it. If you want to see journal with me videos, let me know and I will try and set some of those up. But if not, I'll just come back and show you what I've done. And yeah, so let me show you the unboxing. I'm super excited. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like it. That's the way that YouTube will show you my videos again. If not, I'll disappear and you'll never see me. All right, my friends, I will get back soon with some more tutorials, but for now, I hope you enjoy the unboxing. Okay, so this is the latest Grabie box, and I absolutely love that they actually put the contents of the box on the back now. Really excited about that. This one has some wax seals, and oh my gosh, I think they're just, I love wax seals. I can't wait to play with them and maybe add them again to some of my snail mail that I'll be sending out. If you don't know about Grabie, I have done a few unboxings for them already. I have a discount code for you if you are interested, and you can also check out my past videos showing you the unboxings. They do have free shipping on orders over $60. It does exclude subscription boxes, but many of the items that I'm going to show you, you can actually find them a la carte on their site as well. So you can easily check out, you know, items that I'm going to show you. Like, for example, how I showed you, I love the note-taking pens, the dual tip ones. You can get those there. They have art subscription boxes. They have scrapbooking subscription boxes, which is the one I'm showing you. Love how they have packaged this with the flowers sticking out, the roses, and the little what are those called, flower wraps, I guess. What a great idea. And I can easily use the base of this as a template to maybe make some more. I love that they are now also back to their envelopes. I'm obsessed with their envelopes, you guys. And look at this cute pin. Oh my gosh. Do you guys collect pins? Let me know if you do. Leave a comment below because I'm obsessed right now with pins. My kids have them everywhere. And now I'm like, wait a minute. I can take in on this action now that I'm getting these pins. This is fabulous. All right. So they've also included wrapping paper, which, what a great idea, right? Especially for us journal makers. This could be like a journal cover and or anything you want to make with it. So it's a nice large sheet. And you can see the different designs. They've included quite a few, which is really lovely. As you can tell, I am loving so far the contents of the box. Every box is a surprise to me. All right, so here's the first envelope with goodies. I love that they're vellum, and of course I can reuse them. So these are some of the flowers that I have shown you, and I'm going to try and take screenshots of everything so you can kind of see what the majority of the items that are in each little pack. Because I know sometimes it's hard to show you when I'm opening and, you know, kind of holding things. So I'll be doing that. And as I said, at any point, I may just switch to music so you can enjoy the rest of the unboxing. But don't forget to check out my links, the discount codes, and if you have any questions, of course, leave a comment below. These are like little page corners or book corners, but they have such a gorgeous design on them as well, so they're super adorable. And as I said, there's just such a nice variety of the goodies they've included here. Now these ones are kind of nice and shiny. I love the envelopes with the Valentine's theme. How would you use these? Let me know, leave a comment below. I'm trying to figure out how I would go about using these because they are nice and colorful. The other thing I'm trying to do, and if you're still watching, every month I'm going to be doing a giveaway. I already did my January one, and I'm starting to collect goodies for my February one. And so, of course, I'm going to be including some of the goodies, you know, that are my favorites so far. And so I think I will add some of these pieces to my February giveaway. I will have details on how to enter very soon, but if you leave comments on my videos for the month of February, you know, if you already have left some comments for January, then I will be adding additional points to your name once I know that you're interested in entering my giveaway. Now these ones are fun. The cardstock is thick, it's embossed as you can see here, and I'm just loving these designs. So my ideas are already flowing with how I might want to use these. You can see all the different colors and shapes, which I love. And I think some of these look like they should have had something else printed on them, but I think they just left the manufacturer printing on it. I mean, you can still cover that up or, you know, cut it up if you want to, which I think is super cool. But yeah, I think that's probably what happened to some of these printed out. They're still lovely. Again, I love the thickness of the paper, and it is just such a beautiful design to see, especially like the backs of these are so fun. So I hope you guys enjoy unboxings. Let me know if you do, if you want to see more. As I've mentioned before, I bring these to you because of products that are out there that you may not know about, but also things that I think are fun and enjoyable. As journal makers, as crafters, I think it's always nice to see what products are out there and, you know, what your interest might be in them. So these ones are fun. Oh, I love these flowers. I definitely want more of these. Look at these. I don't know about you guys, but fussy cutting for me is not something I can do or enjoy. I know some people do. I do not enjoy it. So when something is sent that's already got like a nice, you know, it's already ready to go, it's my absolute favorite. Ooh, I can't wait to show you what I'm doing with their stickers, okay? They always send a Grabie sticker, and I've got an idea of what I want to do with those. Look at the other envelope. This one's tearing up a little bit, but that's okay. And so these ones are stickers, which again are lovely with a male theme, of course. And I can't wait to show you what else is in here because I checked their website before getting the box and I was super excited to see what they included here. And my friends, thank you so much for clicking on the links that I share with you, my affiliate links in the video description. It really does help, and it doesn't cost you anything just by clicking on them. If you purchase anything, that's even more exciting, but if you're just looking around, that's also great. Thank you so much because that really does support my channel and I can keep more videos coming. Now, this seems to be a greeting card set, which I am loving. When I saw this on their website, I thought, oh my gosh, like absolutely love it. Greeting cards is something that I'm hoping to do more of. And so, of course, you can see how excited I am because there's 3 of this size. And then there's this longer size, which is fabulous because I don't often get to see this size. The cardstock is really nice and thick. And I love this like vintage style design. Really, really loving it. So there's 3 here as well, and they include the envelopes. And then, of course, they have a whole set of embellishments that you can use for this as well. Again, I'll take a screenshot so you can see all the goodies that are in here. As you can see, there is such a variety of pieces, including these glittery bits of ephemera. They've even got some ribbons. You've got some smaller pieces of paper, and of course some sentiments, which always come in handy. Some floral elements, and then you've got some other thicker elements as well. I love the ones that have the shimmer to the paper, which is really lovely. It's not always something I see. And then you've got some other nice and thick die cuts as well. So such a large variety, you guys, if you are card makers, or I mean, obviously you can use them for anything, but if you are card makers, this is such a fabulous addition to their kit. And then lastly, I'm going to show you the different items that come in the wax seal set. They include some of the actual wax themselves in these cute little bottle. Love it so much. And then you've got your little pouring spoon and the 6 different designs, which I'm super excited because I don't have any of these. So I can't wait to show you how I'm putting all these pieces together and more things that I'm doing with the goodies. Questions, comments, as I mentioned, leave them below. Don't forget to like the video so you can see my videos again. And questions, comments, let me know. Use those discount codes if you're interested in purchasing anything. And let me know if you do want to see my junk journal videos or if you just want to see my flip throughs. All right, my friends, thanks so much for stopping by.